Want to turn simple text prompts into amazing AI artwork? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Krea AI text-to-image in 2026, from writing effective prompts to generating and downloading professional quality images. So let's dive in. First, open Krea AI and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, locate the text-to-image or image generation tool. Click on the text-to-image feature to open the generation workspace. This is where you'll describe the image you want Krea AI to create. Now enter a detailed description of your image. Include the subject, style, colors, lighting, camera angle, and mood. Yeah, the more specific your prompt is, the better your results will usually be. Next, review the available settings. Depending on your account, you may be able to choose aspect ratio, image quality, artistic style, or generation model. Click the Generate button and wait while Krea AI creates your image. Generation usually takes only a short time, though it can vary depending on server activity. If the image isn't exactly what you wanted, edit your prompt and generate again. Adding details or changing descriptive words can dramatically improve the outcome. I mean, sometimes a single adjustment completely transforms the image. Once you're happy with the image, use Krea AI's enhancement or upscaling tools to increase resolution and improve fine details. Finally, download the finished image to your device. You can now use it for social media, marketing, creative projects, or personal artwork, and that's how to use Krea AI text-to-image in 2026. With strong prompts and a little experimentation, you can create impressive AI-generated artwork in just minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.